This is the Magic wireless doorbell chime. The instructions are very simple, easy to understand. There's not an awful lot to it. You have the volume control at the top, and then you have the different chimes that you can choose from with this control here. Now when you plug it in, you get the initial chime. On the side here you can control the volume, and here are the different chimes. Okay, so that's the different chimes that you have. Now once you stop at the chime that you want to use. I'm stopping at the regular doorbell chime. Now the next step to sync it with your camera doorbell outside, or with your doorbell outside, you have to press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds until you get a chime. Once you hear that chime, you have to go outside and press your doorbell within 8 seconds. You'll get another chime in here. Then you press your doorbell once more, and then it's synced. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to be running out while I do that. So first I press this and wait for the chime. Now I'm going out to my doorbell. And now the doorbell is synced to, or the door chime is synced to my doorbell. And every time the doorbell rings, this thing is going to fire up. To adjust the volume level, that's off. And then off again. So you can adjust it to suit yourself depending on where you place this. I'm as deaf as a doorbell, so I always keep it on the loudest one. There you go. And you can have the sound off and just have it flash. And if you've got this at eye level somewhere and all you need is a visual indication that the doorbell's being rung, there you go. Or use the chimes, whatever suits you. The Magic wireless doorbell chime.